Hello guys, and welcome back to Channa's Home Cooked Meals once again. Today I will be sharing with you a Halloween Chex Mix recipe that is great for your party. Ingredients will be chocolate chips, peanut butter, room temperature butter. I have placed this in the microwave for 90 seconds in 30-second increments, mixing in between each 30 seconds. Continue mixing until well incorporated. Add vanilla extract and mix in well. Add Chex Mix cereal to chocolate. Gently fold in Chex Mix cereal into chocolate. Now we're just going to get this divided into 2-gallon size Ziploc bags. After dividing Chex Mix, we're going to add in our powdered sugar to 1 bag. And give it a shake until well coated. And now we're adding our brownie mix to our second bag. And give it a shake until well coated. Now that we have both bags bagged up, we're going to spread it out on our counter to cool for 20 minutes. Now that the Chex Mix is cool, we're going to get it mixed together. Add pretzels. Add Reese's Pieces. Add candy corn. Add Oreos. And we're going to give this a good mix with our hands. And this is what our Halloween Chex Mix looks like, you guys. I hope you really enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share, and like. I would really appreciate it. Thanks again for joining me, and happy Halloween, guys.